An unfortunate train incident has led to serious injuries to passengers of Pushpak Express. This train was going from Lucknow to Mumbai, and near Jalgaon of Maharashtra, the incident happened when an alarm chain pulling incident happened, after which passengers came out of the train and were ran over by Karnataka Express that was passing through on the adjacent track. Swapnil Neela, who is the Chief Public Relations Officer of Central Railways, has confirmed that an ACP case happened, after which passengers came out of the train on the adjacent track. There are initial inputs of one fire rumor on board the train, because of which passengers may have jumped out. However, Railways has not confirmed it yet. Initial information suggests the 7 to 8 people have severe injuries and they are shifted to nearby hospital. DRM of that particular division is reaching on site and medical teams have already reached on site. This incident has happened in the central zone of railways, Indian Railways in fact, where officials are also saying that this was a classic case of trespassing where people were trying to cross the track. The alarm chain pulling incident happened, and at the very same time people were trying to go on board the train, and simultaneously several people were coming out of the particular train. At the very same time, the Karnataka Express that was passing on a different line at the very same spot ran over these passengers. This is not the very first time when such an incident has happened in Indian Railways, but definitely this is the initial information. In fact, the Chief Public Relations Officer of Central Railways has not confirmed or denied the Hot Excel case, which in this particular case might have happened. As per railway sources, there is a possibility of Hot Excel case, because of which smoke was coming out of one of the coaches in this particular train. People may have thought that there is a fire incident on board, because of which they may have jumped out of the train. However, Swapnil Neela has also confirmed that ACP case was confirmed by the crew of the train, and subsequently it is assumed that passengers, after pulling the chain, came out of the train and were subsequently ran over by the Karnataka Express. Official investigation will of course lead us to the fact under what circumstances this incident has happened and what was the kind of incident that has happened. But definitely 7 to 8 people are seriously injured and they have been shifted to the nearby hospital.